How you making out there, Maggie?
Tired.
You're tired? You just started.
I know. I just got up.
Look here.
Oh. I should put this on YouTube to show the world how much snow there is.
Well, you
Maybe
can
like 30 seconds.
You can do that.
Make it, just don't make it more than a minute.
Okay. I just want to get a picture of you actually doing some work on camera.
Yeah, like the first time I've ever done work.
You're doing a good job.
Snow is not fun. Not when you're shoveling it.
It's fun if you don't have to shovel it.
No.
If you can throw snowballs.
This might be... I didn't hit
You didn't just throw that back out where Dad just snowblowed.
It's just a tiny little bit. It won't hurt nothing.
We have quite the snow. Couldn't even get out of the door.